Green Region tool where nature meets precision. Welcome to this tutorial on using the Green Region tool in your 3D design software. This powerful tool allows you to add realistic natural elements like vertical grass and ground cover to both 2D and 3D environments, enhancing the detail and realism of your landscape designs. Whether you're working on architectural visualizations or landscaping projects, mastering this tool can significantly elevate your designs. Open your 3D design software and either create a new project or select an existing one to work with. Navigate to the Landscape menu and select the Green Region tool. This will allow you to define areas where you want to apply natural elements. Use the drawing tools to outline the area where you want to apply the Green Region. This could be a lawn, garden bed, or any other natural space around your structure. Once the Green Region is drawn, the Settings panel will appear on the right side. Here, you can adjust parameters such as growth density, width, height, and tilt variance to customize the appearance of the vegetation. Increase the growth density to make the vegetation appear denser and more lush. This setting controls how many plants are generated within the defined area. Define the size of the plants by adjusting the width and height settings. This ensures that the vegetation fits well within the designated space and looks proportionate. Adjust the tilt variance to give the plants a natural, slightly uneven look. This adds depth and realism to the scene. As you make adjustments, the changes will be reflected in real time in the 3D view. This allows you to see how the vegetation interacts with the rest of the design. Choose between vertical grass or ground cover styles to suit your specific needs. Each option offers different visual effects and uses. Explore the material library to select various types of grass, flowers, or other plant species. This adds diversity and enhances the overall aesthetic of your design. If needed, duplicate the Green Region and modify its settings to create variations across your landscape. This helps maintain consistency while adding visual interest. Continue refining the settings until you achieve the desired level of detail and realism. Pay attention to how the vegetation complements the architecture and surrounding environment. Once satisfied with your green regions, proceed to render the scene. The final output will showcase the enhanced realism and natural beauty of your design. Take a moment to review the rendered scene. Notice how the green regions seamlessly integrate with the rest of the design, creating a cohesive and visually appealing landscape. That's it. You've successfully used the Green Region tool to add realistic natural elements to your 3D designs. This tool not only enhances the visual appeal of your landscapes, but also helps you create more immersive and detailed environments. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on 3D design and visualization. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and happy designing.